Hi, I'm Shanna. Let's take a look at cat-cow pose. I'll show you a couple of variations for this pose. Honestly, this movement can be done from so many orientations. All right, so bring your hands down to the mat. You're on all fours with your hips over your knees, and you're pushing the floor away. The strength in your arms and the strength in your legs, it's what is going to allow your spine to move freely. And then from here, as you inhale, you arch your spine, the head comes up. As you exhale, you round your spine and the chin goes to the chest. What's moving is the spine, the cervical spine, which is your neck, and all the way down, okay, to the base of your tailbone. So you're keeping the arms nice and straight and stationary. You're keeping the knees nice and stationary. And what is moving here is the actual spine. Second option for cat and cow is to have a seat. And you can cross your legs however that's comfortable and then cup the front of your knees. And then from here, it's the same thing. We keep the arms nice and strong, and then you arch your back, bending the elbows, letting the head fall back. And then as you exhale, you round the back, pulling your heart away from the front of the room or the front of your mat, and then back. And you move back and forth. And lastly, you can bring this movement honestly like anywhere in any pose. You could be standing up, and I'll just stand on my knees to show, but you can place your hands on your hips somewhere or arms up, and you can let yourself arch and round. It's just that movement of the spine, that undulating, unfurling, and curling. So you can add that cat and cow movement into any move or any place where you find it is comfortable for your body to take that cat and cow movement.